welcome back to my channel. And today's Monday, so today's a Cricut video. I'm so excited. I thought what we would do today is make individual stickers for like the back of an envelope or something like that. So that's what we're going to be doing today. So I already have my Cricut design space pulled up here. So I'm going to go to New Project right here in the circle with the plus and click on that. Okay, and then now we are going to go to Images on the side here. And then I'm going to go over here to the right corner right up here and hit Filter, and I'm going to click on Uploaded. And these are my images that I have uploaded, so I'm going to be using this one. So I'm going to click on that, and I'm going to hit Insert Images. Okay, so right here's my image. It's just a really pretty circle with pink flowers with a little bit of greenery, okay? So what I want to do is go over to Shapes right here on the left-hand side and click on that and get me a circle. Okay, and I'm going to put that right over here. Then I'm also going to go back to Shapes and hit a square. I'm going to move this circle over here and I'm going to get this square. Okay, I have the square because I want to maximize the amount of stickers that I can do. So on one thing, so I'm going to move this one over here too to get it out of the way for right now. Okay, and I'm going to put my square right here, and I'm going to go up here to this lock like I showed you before. We're going to click it to unlock it, and we're going to change the width to 6.75 because that's what the design space allows you to print in now, and the height to 9.25. Okay, and then we're going to lock it, and that has just given us something that we can use as a template for now. And I'm going to change this color just because I really like a different color and I think I can see better, okay? Doesn't matter what color you change it to, okay? So what I'm going to do right now is take this circle and I'm going to change the color of my circle. So to change the color, I've showed you before, but I'll show you again. When you click on a shape or anything, this little area will appear up here. Now, if it's already white, it's hard to see. So I'm just going to click on that, and I'm going to change it to a color that I think that I may want. Let's try white. Okay, and you can see right up here, it's really hard. You can't even see that, okay? Now what I'm going to do is take this circle and put it up here. Now it automatically goes behind it. So what I want to do is hit Arrange, Move Forward, and that puts it on front. Okay, and I want to get this to where this little dimension is right inside that circle nicely. Okay, all right. Now I'm going to go to Text, and I'm going to select an R because my last name starts with R, and I'm going to find a font that I really like pretty well. I'm going to type MO for monogram, and there was one in here that I liked pretty well. Let me find it. I think it was this one. Yes, that's it. And it is Monotype Corsiva or something like that. All right, and we'll just take this R, we'll put it right in the center here, and I can make it a little bit bigger if I want. Okay, now what I should have done first, I'm going to select these two. Let me get this. Make sure I have this centered again in my circle like I want it. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to select these two. You only have to select a little bit of it. And then we're going to go up here to the top, hit Align, Center, and I'm going to make sure that that is in the center, okay? And I think it could get a little bit bigger, to be honest. I'm going to make this circle just that flower a little bit bigger, okay? Then I'm going to select them both again, going to Align, Center, okay? And that's how it looks. It's just the way this is made, so I may go ahead and put it where I like it visually. Okay, so I'm just going to move this. I'm going to move this to where I like it, where it's visually appealing to me. And to me, that's it, okay? Then we're going to take this R, we're going to put it in the center. Now you can change the color. If you'll notice, I've clicked on the R, this little black area showed back up. So I can click on that, and if I want to try to match a color in that, I can. So let's see what it would look like. You could change it, that color, but I think it's actually prettier, darker. So I'm just going to stick with the black, okay? And what we want to do is I'm going to make my stickers. I'm going to leave the lock on because I want it to change in proportion as I change the sizes, okay? Okay, so I'm going to select all right here. Okay, I'm going to go up here to the lock like I showed you before, but I'm going to leave it locked because I want it to change in proportion. When I change the width, I want it to change the height to what I want. You can either arrow down to 1.5, which is what I think I'm going to do. Okay, that's 1.5. Okay, so that's what I want. Okay, so what I have to need to do now to turn this into a print and cut, because you can see this is all separate cuts, we're going to select it all and we're going to hit flatten on the right bottom corner. That turns it into a print and cut, okay? And we're just using this for a template, so it doesn't matter. Now I'm going to take this and put this right over here and leave myself a little bit of room, okay? Then what I'm going to do is hit duplicate, and I'm going to put it right here underneath it, okay? Then I'm going to hit duplicate again, and then I'm going to click this and I'm going to hit duplicate, and then I'm going to line these up together, and then I'm going to draw a line around it, and I'm going to hit duplicate. Okay, and I'm going to put these up here. I'm just filling my grid so that I won't have a lot of wasted space. So I'm going to duplicate, 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 duplicate. I'm just going to keep duplicating. And like I said, you can do more than one at a time and duplicate it if you want. Okay, now I have them all ready to print, and you see over here to the right, they're all cut then print. So now I'm going to plug my Cricut into my laptop. And I'm going to hit make it top right corner. I already have my computer turned on. And you'll see this is how it's putting on, how it will look on my mat. Okay, now I want to go down here to the bottom, and I have, I'm going to turn on my Cricut. And I'm going to hit continue on the right hand corner. Okay, now it says send to printer. I'm going to click send to printer. Now with this one, and you can make as many copies as you want right here, I'm going to take the bleed off of this because I've been practicing and I think it helps. And the printer, I'm going to go up here and change it to my Office Jet 5740 and hit print, and then it will print it off, and I'll be right back. Okay, now you'll see that it's printed, and it's going to tell me to select my material. Okay, I have my Cricut set on custom, and I'm going to go right here, browse all materials. It's in green. I'm going to click on that, and I found that the washi tape setting makes a really nice kiss and cut. So I'm just typing in washi, and it's the washi tape 6 millimeters. I'm going to select that, click done. Okay, now I'm just going to load my paper on my mat. All I have to do is just load my paper on my mat right up here in the corner. Okay, I have it loaded on my mat like that. Okay, I'm going to go over here, stick my mat right on here, and now all I have to do is hit, and I'll pick this up. All I have to do is hit right here because it's flashing to load. It's going to load it. Then it's going to read my registration, which is the black line around everything it's going to print. And then you'll see this C is blinking. I'm going to hit it, and it will start cutting out our stickers for our envelopes. This is so easy. Now it's reading the registration marks first, so it'll know where to cut. And then it will start cutting out the stickers. And you could make these little stickers any color that you wanted. You could give them a colored background if you wanted. And like I said, you could put the initial in a certain color. Okay. And now it's getting ready to cut. Okay, now this is blinking and it's telling me to eject the mat, so I press that and it pops out, and we'll take a look at it. Okay, here they are on my mat. Now what I'm going to do, I've noticed if I take it off my mat like this, the sticker curls, so I'm going to try it upside down and see what happens. I don't know if that will matter, but I'm going to pull the mat from the sticker itself And maybe they won't curl, and they still did. But not as bad. So if you know a way to get them to come off that doesn't curl, let me know. But right here are our stickers. They're so cute. And you can see right here, they're individually and they peel right off, and it didn't cut through to the back. And I just used my Avery labels. Put this up. And I just used my Avery labels that I always use for my stickers. So it's very economical and it's so easy to do. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye guys.